Question number 1. In Article 10, Section 15, the Congress shall create an agency to promote the viability and growth of as instruments for social justice and economic development. A. Public utilities. B. Cottage industries. C. Cooperatives. D. Commerce and industry. Question number 2. In times of when the public interest so requires, the state may, during the emergency and under reasonable terms prescribed by it, temporarily take over or direct the operation of any privately owned public utility or business affected with public interest. A. Elections. B. National emergency. C. Martial law. D. Calamity. Question number 3. The state shall regulate or prohibit, when the public interest so requires. No combinations in restraint of trade or unfair compensation shall be allowed. A. Nepotism. B. Unfair labor practices. C. Conflict of interest. D. Monopolies. Question number 4. The Constitution entitles workers to all of the following, except A. Security of tenure. B. Humane conditions of work. C. A living wage. D. Nepotism. Question number 4. The Constitution entitles workers to all of the following, except A. Security of tenure. B. Humane conditions of work. C. A living wage. D. Nepotism. Question number 6. Urban or rural poor dwellers shall not be evicted nor their dwellings demolished, except in and in a just and humane manner. A. Accordance with law. B. National emergency. C. Martial law. D. Eminent domain. Question number 7. In Article 13, Section 11, the state shall adopt an integrated and comprehensive approach to health development. There shall be priority for the needs of the underprivileged sick, elderly, disabled women and children. The state shall endeavor to provide free medical care to A. Natural-born Filipinos. B. Senior citizens. C. Sons and daughters of elected officials. D. Paupers. Question number 8. In Article 13, the state shall establish a special agency for rehabilitation, self-development and self-reliance, and their integration into mainstream of society. A. Released convicts. B. Drug addicts. C. Disabled persons. D. Senior citizens. Question number 9. The state shall protect by providing safe and healthful working conditions, taking into account their maternal functions, and such facilities and opportunities that will enhance their welfare and enable them to realize their full potential in the service of the nation. A. Indigenous people. B. Working women. C. Workers. D. Handicapped persons. Question number 10. In Article 13, what independent office was created for, among its functions, to investigate, on its own or on complaint by any party, all forms of human rights violations involving civil and political rights? A. Crusade Against Violence. B. Amnesty International. C. Office of the Ombudsman. D. Commission on Human Rights.